Hello, should you include chia in your daily diet? What benefits can this little seed bring to your health? And what are the possible harms? Is it true that chia has incredible nutritional properties, such as being an excellent source of fiber, omega-3, and protein, helping with digestion and weight control? Or is it just a myth? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about this wonder of nature called chia, and what improvements you'll notice in your body if you start consuming it regularly. So stay until the end, but first, enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our health tips, and activate the bell to receive all notifications. It's also very important that you share this knowledge with your friends and family because when it comes to your health, our health, it's worth sharing. So share and tell me, are you one of the people who include chia seeds in your diet? What part of the United States or the world are you from? Write in the comments below, let's go. Chia seeds originated in Central America. In Mayan and Aztec times, chia was valued as a miraculous plant, used both in food and in religious ceremonies. The ancient peoples used chia as an important source of energy. The name chia comes from the word for strength. Aztec warriors consumed chia before battles to increase their stamina and strength. And were the ancients right to use chia as a superfood? Yes, today we can find chia seeds in any supermarket. And as I always say, there are many things we can do to improve our lives, and especially our health. These are small changes, and many of them are simple and affordable, such as including superfoods like chia in your diet, and more fruit and vegetables, and removing things that are bad for you, like sugar and ultra-processed foods, which inflame your body. But is there any scientific evidence to support what the ancients thought about chia, or is it just a food supplement to make your recipes more nutritious? Here are 10 reasons why chia should be part of your daily routine. Benefit number 10. Chia is a superfood. Chia is a true superfood, packed with essential nutrients for the body. This small seed is rich in fiber, protein, which is important for tissue growth and repair, omega-3, a fatty acid that benefits heart and brain health, vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, and vitamin E, which help with various body functions, and minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential for bone and muscle health. This combination of nutrients makes chia a powerful ally for health in general. Benefit number 9. Chia can increase energy and vitality levels. If you're lacking energy and vitality, chia can be your ally. Rich in various nutrients that provide energy for the body, such as complex carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and B vitamins, chia contributes to more stable energy levels throughout the day. The gradual release of energy from these nutrients prevents spikes and drops in blood glucose. The fiber present in chia also promotes slower and steadier digestion, preventing sudden drops in energy after meals. Thanks to its composition rich in nutrients and fiber, chia offers several benefits for energy and vitality, such as increases energy levels and combats fatigue, improves physical and mental disposition, helps with athletic performance, contributes to concentration and focus. Benefit number 8. Improves skin and hair health. Chia can benefit skin and hair health due to its nutrient-rich composition. This small seed is a source of omega-3, antioxidants, proteins, and minerals, which act synergistically to promote healthier skin and hair. Chia offers various benefits for the skin and hair, such as improves skin hydration and elasticity, combats premature skin aging, helps treat acne, eczema, and psoriasis, strengthens and gives shine to hair, contributes to healthy hair growth. Benefit number 7. Chia can improve your digestion. If you suffer from poor digestion, have a high and bloated stomach, chia can help. Its seeds are rich in fiber, which helps regulate intestinal transit and relieve constipation. In addition, the fibers in chia form a gel when mixed with liquids, which can help increase the feeling of satiety and improve digestion. Then remember to always stay hydrated, because when chia seeds come into contact with liquids, they can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming that gel because of the soluble fibers present in chia, which expand and form this gelatinous substance. If you eat chia, then increase your consumption of liquids along with the seeds. The fibers also feed the good bacteria in your gut, a prebiotic effect, promoting a healthier intestinal flora. Benefit number 6. Chia can strengthen your immune system. If you suffer from recurrent infections, catch every cold and flu that comes along, have low immunity, chia is an interesting seed to consider. Chia contains a good amount of essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are important for the proper functioning of the immune system. In addition, it is rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and neutralize the free radicals that weaken our immune system. Benefit number 5. Chia can have a calming effect. Chia seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, which is known for its relaxing properties and can relieve stress and anxiety. And that's not all. Chia is rich in tryptophan, which is a precursor of serotonin, which will improve your mood and make you calmer, and also melatonin, which will improve your sleep. So if you include chia in your diet, your mood will improve and you'll be more positive. Regular consumption of chia can promote a sense of well-being and help maintain balanced mental health. Benefit number 4. Chia can help deflate your body. If you suffer from joint pain, lower back pain, need lots of painkillers and anti-inflammatories, it's always best to avoid anti-inflammatories because they can swell, increase your pressure, and give you kidney problems. Switch to chia. Chia is rich in omega-3, which has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to fight inflammation in the body. Omega-3 also contributes to heart health by reducing levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides. Chia is the best food there is for those who want to control triglycerides. Benefit number 3. It can help control weight. Rich in fiber, chia forms a gel that increases satiety. In addition, it has a high protein content, which can also help regulate hormones that control appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin, reducing hunger and helping with long-term weight control. This can be especially useful for those trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Benefit number 2. It can help control blood sugar. Some studies indicate that chia can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. The fiber in chia slows down the absorption of carbohydrates in the intestine, helping to keep glucose levels stable. And the number 1 benefit, it can help your heart health. As I've already mentioned, chia has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of chia can help reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol, increase HDL, which is the good cholesterol, and reduce triglycerides. All this reduces your risk of heart attacks and strokes and improves your entire cardiovascular system. And what are the risks of consuming chia seeds? As I always say, avoid consuming too much of any food. Just because chia is good for you doesn't mean you should eat it in large quantities all the time. Too much fiber can cause digestive discomfort, such as gas and bloating. If you have a specific health condition or take a lot of medication, talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of chia to your diet. Of course, a tablespoonful of chia is unlikely to do you any harm. What is the best way to consume chia for maximum benefit? Chia is extremely versatile and can be added to a variety of foods. You can sprinkle seeds on yogurt, salads, juices, and smoothies. When I make a smoothie, I take it faster because otherwise the chia, as it forms that gel, can puff up and make that banana smoothie not look so good. So I take it straight. It doesn't even look like I'm taking chia. You can also use chia as an ingredient in recipes for bread, cakes, desserts, and cheese bread. A popular way to consume chia is to make what's known as chia pudding. Simply mix a tablespoon of chia seeds with a glass of milk, or the vegetable milk you prefer, such as almond milk, nut milk, any milk, and leave to rest for a few hours or overnight. An important tip if you want it to be very smooth is to go back after 20 minutes and mix it again. The chia pudding will be very tasty. The chia absorbs the liquid and forms a gel, resulting in a healthy and delicious dessert. And a frequently asked question: do you need to soak the chia seeds or not? Not exactly, right? When you soak the seed, it forms that gel and will be better absorbed. But if you want to mix, grind, or add chia seeds to your recipes, you'll also get the same benefits. When chia seeds are ground, they can be more easily absorbed by the body, allowing for better assimilation of nutrients. However, both whole and ground seeds, or even added to water, offer benefits. Choose the form you like best and enjoy this superfood. Chia is a healthy food, but it's important to consume it in moderation. Remember that despite all its benefits, chia is a healthy food that should be consumed in moderation. It is important to stay hydrated when consuming chia, especially when consuming it hydrated, to facilitate digestion and absorption of the nutrients. Did you like the video? Now that you know the benefits and ways to consume chia, try including it in your diet and share your results with us. Leave a like and a comment below telling us how you consume chia, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And always remember to consult a health professional for personalized advice, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. And what's the next video you're going to watch? I'm going to share 2 relevant recommendations that are appearing for you. My video on the 7 foods to prevent and avoid stroke, and my playlist of the best foods for liver fat and more. If you're a fan of this kind of content, you'll love it. Thanks for following me to the end of this video. We hope this video has shown you the incredible health benefits of chia. Include chia in your diet and take advantage of all its nutrients. May God bless us with health and life. Let's promote everyone's well-being together. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.